Okay, so the story on this brand new Dodge Laramie pickup truck is, gentleman bought the truck brand new from the dealer, and it did not have this in it. As you can see here, he's got a dent, but there's something more to this dent, and I'm going to tell you what it is. He took the truck after he purchased it in to get the bed liner sprayed in, and while it was at the bed liner place, apparently it had been damaged by someone. And as you can see from some of the lines and the dots that you see in here, it was actually attempted to be repaired. Somebody attempted to repair this dent. We see some high lines here from where they dragged the tool. We see some poke marks here where they poked up the metal. And if you come back here, you're going to see there's a number of poke marks all over this truck. And I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but there is quite a bit of high metal from someone poking a tool around in here. Up here, a little bit mangled up here. And this customer said, hey, it's not acceptable. I want it fixed. So we wrote him an estimate. We're actually going to pull this bed cover off. This will be removed. That'll give us access to the backside of this dent to fix. But I'll tell you what, something to know about is that whenever we have to repair a dent in a car that has been worked on, it usually costs more money and takes more time, because we're not just repairing what's damaged, but we're also undoing the damage that the last guy who tried to fix this made. So guys, as you can see, it pays to make sure you look into the company who's doing the work on your car. Make sure that they have experience, make sure they can show you some of the before and afters of the work that they do, qualify their skills and their abilities, so that you don't end up with a mess on your brand new, probably $60,000 truck, and have to come to Dent Shop to have it all fixed up. Appreciate you watching, and give us some feedback. Let us know if you have any questions about stuff like this. We're here to help. Thanks. Bye.